Kukunin niya yung gamit niya sa labas. Sa labas, sorry. Kukunin niya yung gamit niya sa likod. He's bringing a trolley kasi ang dami niyang dala. It's a good one. Okay, so bis pa na tayo. By the time na ma-post ko to, we have 1 week, no, for you guys to have your entry. Good morning, everyone. So it is Thursday today and it's currently 5:40 in the morning. So nandito na kami sa school ni Stan. Maaga kami ngayon umalis and maaga rin kami nakarating dito. So it's like less than 30-minute drive from our house to the school. So ayun, masyado pa kasing maaga, so baka wala pang tao, wala pa siyang kasama dun sa classroom. So dito muna kami, nagpark muna ako somewhere here sa may track and field area ng school. Tapos pag mga siguro 5:50, 5:55, ita-drop off ko na siya sa junior high school. So ayan guys, yung harap ko ngayon. Madilim pa siya talaga. It's only 5:42. Kaya madilim pa sa Katipunan andito sa campus. Okay, andito na kami guys sa high school. Yan, bababa na siya. Bye. 2:35. Yan, 2:35 yung dismissal niya today. So you go down first. Cool. Yan, kukunin niya yung gamit niya sa labas. Sa labas, sorry. Kukunin niya yung gamit niya sa likod. He's bringing a trolley kasi ang dami niyang dala. Yan, tumawid na siya guys. Andun kasi sa kabila yung kanilang classroom. So ayan, hintayin ko lang siyang mag-message na nasa classroom na siya and then I can go. The reason for that is baka may nakalimutan siya or may kailangan siyang kunin dito sa car. At least nandito pa ako. So yun, hintayin ko siya hanggang mag-message siya. Kasi what he always does is when he gets inside the classroom, magsasend na siya ng message sa amin ng daddy niya na here, I'm here inside the classroom. Ganun. So alam namin na safe na siya, nasa classroom na siya. Kaya yun, hinihintay ko lang yung message niya. Tapos, I'll get going. Thank you and good morning. So there, I'm going back home. So since Thursday today, pag Thursday and Friday, I go brisk walking. So yan yung ginagawa ko ng Thursday and Friday. Sometimes nagjo-join sa akin yung husband ko pag Friday kasi Thursday ngayon on-site yung kanyang work. Tomorrow work from home siya ng Friday. So ayun, may times na nakaka-join siya sa akin sa brisk walking ko. Dun lang naman sa labas ng aming residence. I usually take 3 lapses from gate 1 until gate 2 of our place. So, tatlong ikot yon. And then, after ng tatlong ikot na yon, I will go to the basketball court ng place din namin. And another 3 rounds, 3 lapses din doon. Tatlong ikot din. Dun sa gate 1 to gate 2 and vice versa, brisk walking yung ginagawa ko. And at times, walking lang din. Kasi I run naman doon sa basketball court. Yung 3 rounds ko doon, yung 3 lapses ko doon. Tama ba yung lapses na word? O swimming yun? Anyway, yun. 3 rounds yung ginagawa ko doon. Doon ako nagra-run. Okay, so we're home. Nakapag-park na ako. And ayun, aakyat na ako sa house. Tapos magpapalit lang ako ng clothes for walking. See you later. Sa gate 2 ng aming place. When I get there, it's already the first round. I'm done with the first round. So 3 rounds. So, dito na tayo sa may basketball court. It's time to jog. Back here. Sa building namin. Grabe. Yan ang ating get up ngayon. Kata tayo guys. Tapos sa good one, nandito tayo sa bahay. Tapos si really a good one. So, bis na tayo. Okay, so yun yung tinakbo natin ngayon. Yun yung nilakad and tinakbo natin today. Mag-change lang ako ng clothes. Tapos, magpapahinga sandali. And then, mag-breakfast na ako. Just like what I mentioned earlier, twice a week lang ako nag-brisk walking and running. So, Thursday, Friday, Thursday today. So, tomorrow, hoping for another good run. And, yun, and a good weather din. Kasi ngayon, medyo maaraw. See you guys later then. Okay, I'm now going to pick up Stan sa school niya. It's 1:39 in the afternoon. So, ayan, samahan niyo ako. Nagdala pala ako guys ng baon. This is yung cheese dog ng Tropical Hut. Tapos I just brought my water. Okay, so another day for another walking day. It's a Friday now. So, ito yung second day ko ng pag-walk. Let's go! I'm done with the run today. Hey guys. Hey everybody, so it's December 22, 2024, 3 days to go before Christmas, and this is the right moment for me to share with you guys something that I really wanted to have as a giveaway this year. So this will be these two tumblers from Starbucks. So one is in this color, so turquoise yung color nito. So pink and turquoise. So combination siya. This is just for cold beverages. So ito yung first one. And then the other one is in color, is in indigo. Yun yung kanyang name ng kanyang color. So this one is parang navy blue with combination ng orange and navy blue yung kanyang color. So again, pag ganitong tumblers, these are just for cold beverages. Hindi siya pwede sa hot drinks. Kasi matutunaw yung kanyang straw. So, 2 people will win for this giveaway. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung mechanics, pero very simple lang. No need to do something really complicated. Just follow my social media accounts. And yun, kailangan yung magsulat ng comment why you have to win this giveaway. So, for local lang tayo. So, this will be for my subscribers na who live here in the Philippines para madaling i-ship sa inyo. So, December 30 yung ating draw. Today is December 22. By the time na ma-post ko to, we have 1 week, no, for you guys to have your entry. So, yun lang. And yun, I hope that you will all join kasi I really wanted for you guys to experience. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-experience makagamit ng Starbucks na tumbler, this is your chance to own one. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye!